He's pretty cool, but there might be something wrong with him. I don't know if he's cursed or if it's something with his brain, but the only thing he ever says is,
I like trains.
I like trains. I like trains. From birth, the I like trains kid never spoke a word, not even to his parents, not a single sound was heard. But on the first day of school, the teacher asked his name. All he did was smile as he said,
I like trains.
I like trains. Some Ritalin to see if that would help. The doctor found the perfect dose and asked him how he felt. He stared at the doctor with a little creepy smile, and the I like trains kid said,
I feel great.
He got a fancy job and he straightened out his life. He met a nice girl who he asked to be his wife. As they stood at the altar and prepared to say the vows, he put a